Hi, it's Amy from Fox Run. Last year, when I moved from Kentucky to Wisconsin, I learned a hard lesson about how humidity affects indoor plants. Last winter, the humidity in my home dropped from a summer average of 60% to a winter average of just 16. My plants and I felt like the moisture was being sucked right out of us. I even lost one of my prized lemon trees. The lack of humidity or moisture in the air can dry out plant leaves and inhibit photosynthesis. You may think just watering plants is the answer. Sadly, that will not solve your problem and can lead to more problems such as overwatering and issues like root rot. The ideal humidity level is between 40 and 50%, depending on the species. Growing lettuce hydroponically indoors is a great way to meet its humidity levels, but many plants prefer to be grown in soil. Misting your plants is one way to get them more humidity. However, misting is a short term solution. The water vapor quickly evaporates. Placing plants in a bathroom is another idea. Especially in winter, they benefit from the warm, moist air. Bathrooms don't always have windows, so make sure you provide adequate light. A humidifier is a great investment in your plant's health. Use a warm mist to mimic the plant's natural environment. Place the humidifier in the middle of your grouping of your high humidity need plants. Be careful where you place your humidifier since you don't want moisture on wood furniture or flooring. Terrariums are also another way to provide humidity for plants. The contained environment helps keep the moisture where you want it. You can check out my video above on making a terrarium. Some plants that like higher humidity levels are orchids, Boston and staghorn fern, calatheas or prayer plants, air plants, alocasia, philodendron, lettuce, and peppers. I hope this information was useful. Please boop the like button if it was, and let me know what interests you in the comments. Thank you and have a wonderful day.